Welcome to Evershine English School, where young minds are nurtured with knowledge, discipline, and values. We are delighted to present our annual report, highlighting a year filled with learning, achievements, and growth.
The institution is guided by the visionary leadership of Mrs. Vidya and Mr. Ramdev, along with the dedicated support of Mrs. Sandhyashri and Mr. Suresh Babu, whose commitment and guidance drive the school towards excellence. Our respected President, Shri Ramdev, the guiding force of our institution. Our Secretary, Shri Suresh Babu, supporting growth with dedication. Our Principal, Mrs. Sudha Pragya, leading the school with vision and care. Our dedicated coordinators ensure smooth academic planning, effective coordination, and the overall growth of students across all sections. Our committed teaching and non-teaching staff work with passion and teamwork to create a caring, disciplined, and inspiring learning environment. Our students are the pride of ES, learning, exploring, and achieving with confidence. The school management has been honored with the Karnataka Pride Business Award by Raj News.
ಪ್ರತಿಭೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಬರೀ ಓದೋದೇ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಹೆಚ್ಚೆಚ್ಚು ಅವಕಾಶಗಳನ್ನು ಕಲ್ಪಿಸ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅವರಿಗೆ, ಅವಾಗ ಅವ್ರ ಪ್ರತಿಭೆ ಅನಾವರಣ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ.
And the Jeevan Ratna Award by the Spurti Seva Foundation in recognition of its dedicated service to education and society. The institution has also received the Best Management Award and the 100% SSLC Result Award, reflecting its strong academic leadership. Adding to these laurels, Harshita H achieved an outstanding second rank at the state level in the SSLC examination, while our students have also emerged as sports achievers in inter-school competitions, bringing pride and recognition to the school. The first day of school began with joy, excitement, and smiling faces as students stepped into a new year of learning and growth. Our kindergarten play area is a safe and colorful space where children enjoy playful learning, develop motor skills, and grow with joy. A colorful space with safe, educational toys that encourage creativity, play, and learning. Our classrooms are spacious, well ventilated, and student friendly, creating a positive learning atmosphere. Equipped with comfortable seating and teaching aids, they support interactive learning and encourage students to learn with confidence and enthusiasm. Our well-equipped science lab provides students with hands-on learning experiences that encourage curiosity, observation, and scientific thinking. Our well-stocked library nurtures a love for reading and learning. It offers a wide range of books. Our computer lab is well-equipped with modern systems, providing students hands-on experience in digital learning. Our well-equipped AV room enhances learning through smart classes, presentations, videos, and interactive sessions. Our school encourages holistic learning through various clubs and forums. The Sir C. V. Raman Science Club promotes curiosity and scientific temper, while the Ramanujan Maths Club enhances logical thinking and problem-solving skills. DVG Elyara Balga nurtures values, culture, and creativity among students, and the R.K. Narayan Literary Club develops reading, writing, and communication skills. Jnana Divige, the Teachers Forum, supports continuous professional growth through collaboration and knowledge sharing. Our school celebrates learning beyond classrooms through a variety of events and cultural programs. National festivals, important days, and special occasions are observed with great enthusiasm, instilling values of unity, respect, and tradition among students. Academic competitions, cultural activities, sports events, and co-curricular programs provide opportunities for students to showcase their talents and build confidence. Each celebration adds joy to school life and helps in the all-round development of our students. Kinara Mela is a joyful celebration of creativity and culture, where students showcase their talents through art, music, dance, and fun-filled activities, creating memories that last a lifetime. Day is a joyful celebration of talent, culture, and togetherness. Students showcase their skills through vibrant performances, reflecting confidence, creativity, and teamwork. The event strengthens the bond between students, teachers, and parents, making it a memorable occasion for all. Our annual sports meet celebrates the spirit of fitness, teamwork, and healthy competition. Students showcase their energy, discipline, and sportsmanship through a variety of track and field events. We extend a heartfelt gratitude to our management, staff, parents, and students for their constant support and dedication. Together, we look ahead to a brighter future. This success is possible because of the strong partnership between our parents, the enthusiasm of our students, and the dedication of our staff. We thank our parents, students, and staff for their continued support and trust.